AFCON is just around the corner, and with major stadium renovations underway across Kenya, the big question is, are the stadia ready to host this prestigious tournament? In today's video, we are diving into the latest updates and giving you an exclusive look at the current state of Nyayo Stadium. If you are here for the very first time, please consider subscribing, give this video a very big thumbs up, and let's do this. Let's go!
Oh, sasa mnajenga nini kwani?
Hii ni footpath.
Footpath.
Tunataka kudifferentiate. Yaani watu watakuwa wanapita hapa kando.
Oh, hakuna kupita na magari pamoja.
Kupita na gari wakati hii umetengenezwa huko Kongwa, wewe unabeba msalaba.
Unabeba msalaba. Juu kuna footbridge pale na kuna barabara ya mguu. Sawa, mnafanya kazi nzuri. Napenda hiyo. Asante. Haya. Currently outside here, this is what's happening. Oh my God, they are constructing a pedestrian footpath. Yeah. On the left is the Carrefour Mega, operates 24/7. Hello, how are you? Uko aje? Uko poa? Come with me to the stadium, guys. If you're already loving this video, give it a very big thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to this channel. This is your go-to channel for all matters infrastructure, city tours, and latest updates happening in Kenya. My diaspora viewers, you have a chance to see like what's happening in real time. So I'm gonna be uploading this video today. No fancy edits, just showing you the real situation at the ground. So I'm currently headed towards the Nyayo Stadium roundabout. As you can see, this is the Nyayo Stadium under renovation. And most of you have commented telling me, Dolphin, it's now time to show us what's happening at the Nyayo Stadium.
Wow, I finally made it to the Nyayo Stadium. Guys, as most of you know, this place has been closed for quite some time to pave way for renovation, and this is exactly what's happening inside here. I was told that they want to paint this place, so expect more updates from my side. Currently, this is the current state of the stadium. I want you to watch the video till the end and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Nyayo Stadium. Is it really ready to host the AFCON? Guys, drop a comment down below. I really want to know what you think.
Out there who can help me access the Talanta Stadium, please comment down below. I'll really appreciate, because I really want to give you the latest updates of also the Talanta and Kasarani. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always supporting me. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Give this video a very big thumbs up. and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Here, Langata Road. The road goes all the way to Mombasa Road, to Uhuru Highway, and this side, I'm so tired. This is from Langata Road. So Nyayo Stadium is here. So this is where the stadium is. You see, it's not visible from this side.